spray texture, it has to have a pretty good output.
Okay.
I find this compressor is big enough where I don't have to wait too long for it to catch up if I'm spraying like light texture.
Interesting.
And it's small enough where I can haul it around like this.
Absolutely. It just fits
You know
right
what I
in the
mean?
back of your truck.
Yeah, because I have like a whole spray rig thing, but it's so inconvenient to move around. You know, so there's nothing special to it. And when you're doing knockdown,
Yeah.
the secret to knockdown is, so the hole size on that you want bigger. That's as big as they make it. And this, you can't have a stiff knife. It has to be a very flexible knife. If you have like a stiff knife,
Yeah.
like a metal knife, like a regular taping knife, it just lays it totally flat. It just coats the wall. It doesn't knock it down like what you're trying to achieve. So this is the main thing.